The Cosmic Nursery, Secrets of Orion's Great Nebula by Daniel Triana. From the ancient tales woven by stargazers to the cutting-edge discoveries of modern astrophysics, the Orion Nebula has long captured the imagination of humanity. Nestled in the heart of the Orion constellation, this cosmic marvel is not just a breathtaking wispy cloud of gas and dust, it is a vibrant nursery of stars, a crucible where the very fabric of our universe is born. As we peer into the depths of the Orion Nebula, we unlock secrets that illuminate the mysteries of star formation, providing incredible insights into the life cycles of celestial bodies and the evolution of galaxies. But what makes the Orion Nebula a focal point for astronomers and enthusiasts alike? Beyond its stunning visual allure, radiating colors that captivate the eye, lies a dynamic environment filled with fierce cosmic activity. This stellar nursery serves as a laboratory for understanding the intricate processes that lead to the birth of stars. By unraveling the complexities of its gas clouds and stellar formations, we gain a unique perspective on the formation and evolution of not just our galaxy, but countless others throughout the cosmos. Join us as we delve deeper into the secrets hidden in this celestial playground, where every glimpse reveals new wonders waiting to be discovered. Introduction. Nestled in the heart of the Orion constellation, the Orion Nebula, also known as Messier 42, stands as one of the most dazzling stellar nurseries in our galaxy. This sprawling cloud of gas and dust is not only a breathtaking sight for amateur stargazers but also a vital observatory for astronomers aiming to understand the origins of stars. It is here, amid colorful swirls of gas illuminated by young stars, that the process of star formation unfolds, illuminating the cosmic ballet that has been ongoing for millions of years. By studying the Orion Nebula, scientists delve into the intricate mechanisms behind how stars are born, evolve, and ultimately die, making it a cornerstone of astrophysical research. The significance of examining star formation extends beyond mere curiosity; it is fundamental to our understanding of the universe's evolution. Stars are the building blocks of galaxies, and their life cycles play a crucial role in providing the elements necessary for planets, and life as we know it, to exist. Within the Orion Nebula, energetic processes foster the birth of new stars, which in turn scatter heavy elements across the cosmos when they die. This web of interactions contributes to galactic evolution and helps us piece together the history of our universe. Each glimpse into this celestial nursery not only enhances our knowledge but also sparks questions about our own origins, placing us in a grand narrative that spans billions of years. Beyond its scientific significance, the Orion Nebula is also a treasure trove of visual wonders. Its captivating beauty has inspired generations of astronomers and artists alike, serving as a reminder of the mysteries still waiting to be unraveled. Observing its glowing gas clouds and intricate structures fuels curiosity and invites exploration within the vast expanse of space. The Orion Nebula, with its distinctiveness as a stellar nursery, enchants both the casual observer and the seasoned scientist, urging them to look deeper into the fabric of the universe and our place within it. For more information, visit astrodaniel.com.